So we are now here in Purok sa of Aggub, Solano, Nueva Vizcaya. We're now going to start the trek. It will probably take us about an hour and it's gonna be fun.
Nakalakating na.
Nyagad mo pre, sumabog di mati.
Yung sasabog sana para patay tayo lahat.
So yun po no, dito po kami sa taas ng Mount Singian. Ito po si Kuya Van. Subscribe. So yun po, para tulungan po natin siya.
So Nisus brought his legendary phone right here. We're going to use this one for montage tomorrow, and this is capable of 720p and 30 frames per second, I guess. Di ba, Nisus?
Yeah.
Good.
That's true, man.
That's it for today. Yo, yeah.
Yo, yeah.
Good night.
Night.
Good morning everyone. We are here at the summit of Mount Singian, located in Aggub, Solano, Nueva Vizcaya. And let us all experience the breathtaking view and the sea of clouds here. Let's go.
So we are here with Kuya Alan, an expert of Sea of Clouds.
Okay, wait. I'll just eat nisin.
Here is Nisus, an astrophysicist who believes that the Earth is flat.
Oh, yeah. Nisin na, nisin.
Flat Earthers. And Kuya Nestor Montano. Nisin.
Okay guys, this is what we call a phagometer. Which,